Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, obviously make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and then we can enter the Play Store. Now let's tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and choose My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all updates pending. Of course, you can update all of those apps simply by tapping on this big green button, Update All. But if you want to update only one of it, then simply find it on the list, for example, Gmail, and tap on Update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. Now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and updated. So actually, that's all. This is how to update apps in your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.